Hey everybody, you're on the lot with Stephen Hill here at Jaguar Land Rover West Houston. Check it out, we got our very first Defender 90. All right, check it out. It's got the push bar on the front with the 360 camera there. The angry eyes. In person, it's just cool. How you have the shorter wheelbase, a little stockier look. And this one has the 395 horsepower, 4-cylinder turbo. It just came in, so it's in transport mode. So I can't open the back hatch back here, but it's got the raised air intake right there. Check out the back seat. I was just back there a second ago. You just pull the lever, slide the seat forward, step in. It's a massive back seat. It's like sitting on a couch back there. Looks like they extended the Alpine windows. They look longer, and these bay windows are massive. So you have a really good view from inside in the back seat there. It's all rubber lined. You do pull the lever on the seat to slide it back. So this one you actually raise and lower. You got power lumbar, and then you adjust the front of the seat right there. Everything else looks pretty much the same as the 110 Defenders. Really cool car. So yeah, just a really quick hit. First Defender 90, we've got a handful more coming in. Give me a call, don't miss these. There's not that many out there. All right, bonus features. Here's the sticker. Had a couple of you asked me to go a little bit slower on these, so I'll take my time. Motor Trend SUV of the year. All right, give me a call, 832-724-0244. You're on the lot with Stephen Hill.